Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 1997 to 2003 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed, and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the cab from your frame. Remove or protect any fuel lines, brake lines, and wiring harnesses. Cut and punch out the rivets retaining your leaf spring hanger and spare tire crossmember. After removing your rivets, grind down the frame for your rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Then, spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your leaf spring frame section and relieve the top and bottom perforations on your perforated plate. This will allow your frame section to fit over the raised bump on your frame rail. Then, bend the plate outward so it will sit over the bump on your frame rail. Step 4. Slide your leaf spring frame section onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can C-clamp your part into place with a C-clamp to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your leaf spring frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Then, clamp your plate against the frame using a C-clamp, followed by welding the plate into place. Step 5. After welding on your frame section, reinstall the leaf spring hanger using the provided hardware. Tighten it with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. Use the remaining hardware to reinstall the end of your spare tire crossmember on the top and bottom of your frame rail. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done.